In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view workflows health reports in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the health view and how to use it to spot issues and clean up unused workflows so your automation runs smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. Log into your account as you normally would. If you manage multiple HubSpot portals, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding, and ensure you have the right permissions to view and manage workflows. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, move your mouse to the left sidebar. Look for the section labeled Automation. This area contains all of HubSpot's automation tools, including sequences, bots, and, most importantly for today, workflows. Hover to reveal the options, then select Workflows to open your Workflows home. On the Workflows page, you'll see a navigation area where you can manage and analyze workflows. To access the report we need, click the Health tab. The Health view is HubSpot's built-in report that highlights potential problems and cleanup opportunities across your automation, helping you keep things efficient and error-free. Right away, you'll see categories like workflows with issues and unused workflows. Workflows with issues are those that may have errors or warnings. Common examples include actions referencing deleted emails or lists, steps missing required settings, or enrollment problems that prevent records from moving forward. If you notice a workflow listed here, open it from your main workflows list later, review the alert details HubSpot provides, and fix the specific action. It's a good practice to test changes in a safe environment or with a small sample before re-enabling anything critical. Unused workflows are typically turned off, outdated, or not enrolling any new records. These can clutter your workspace and make troubleshooting harder. Before deleting, double-check whether a workflow is referenced by other tools, like forms or campaigns. If it's no longer needed, consider archiving or removing it to keep your automation library clean. If you might need it later, document key settings or export relevant assets first. You'll also see helpful summaries labeled Opportunities to review workflows with issues and opportunities to delete unused workflows. Think of these as prioritized recommendations. Use them to plan routine maintenance. Monthly or quarterly reviews work well, so you catch issues early and keep performance high. That's it. You now know how to reach the health view in HubSpot workflows, identify problem areas, and decide what to fix or retire. Keep this habit, and your automation will stay reliable and easy to manage.